Good day, traders. David here from Daily Forecast. It is Wednesday morning, the 22nd of March, and we're here to do a update for Brent oil, for crude, for Bitcoin, and for Euro. In front of us, we've got Brent oil on the daily chart. We're still waiting for the B low to form. We've got the A high. We're in a bearish AB swing. We've got the A high. We are waiting for the B low to form. Let's see if after today, if price remains above this low here at 70.11. Then we'll have a B low in place. We can draw fibs and we can look for a 618 retracement. The 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart's a bit different to the daily chart in that we're also in a bearish AB swing, but you can see price rallied up and came just shy of the A high. We are in sell territory. We have entered a short trade yesterday. We'll go down to that shortly. So let's see if that trade does pan out. If price does rally up and take out this high here at 75.89, then we start a reversal on this time frame. If price does fall, watch out for support at the BF786 lower down. Okay. Brent oil on the 1-hour chart, same swing that we have on the 4-hour chart. You can see that price rallied up into the 786 and then rallied on further actually towards the 86, gave us an entry, and we are currently short on that position. Stops are above around 75.55, and so let's see how we go for the rest of the day and if we do profit from that trade. Like I said, be careful for the BF7. If price falls, be careful for the BF786 down at lower levels, and if price does rally and stop us out and take out this A high, then we're starting a reversal on this time frame. The entry of yesterday was based on the 5-minute chart. It was, let me see, give me 1 second quickly. Sorry about that interruption, guys. The trade on the 5-minute chart was, here was the rally, okay? Let me just check 75.36. So this was the actual rally. Price rallied up into the actual 86 here, okay, and then price fell back. Price ran all the way up to the 618 of the swing. There was the actual entry at 74.84. Our stops are 15 pips above, 20 pips above this high here. Okay, you can see price never ever took out that high on a closing basis, and this is where we are right now. So we are hoping that price does fall down for today's session. We've had quite a bit of resistance up at this level yesterday. You can see all the many hours that price spent up there. So let's see if we do fall today, and let's see if we do profit from that trade setup. If we do fall, like I said, look out for the BF786. If we do rally and get stopped out, then we start a reversal once we break this high at 75.89 on a sustained basis. Crude oil. 4-hour chart on crude oil. We're in a bearish AB swing. There's our A high, there's our B low. You can see price came all the way up to the A resistance high as well. Hasn't taken it out. Okay, the high there is 69.63. Here we went to 69.73. Okay, not a consistently closing basis, because we're right back in that area again now. So let's see if what happens today. Does price fall down? Okay, for those of you that's trading crude, if price does fall, you'll step down to a 5-minute chart. You'll look for a pullback, another test, a bearish candlestick formation, and a short entry. If price falls, like I said, we'll look for support down at the BF786. If price rallies and takes out this A high on a sustained basis, well, then we're starting a reversal on this time frame as well. Crude oil on the 1-hour chart is exactly the same like the 4-hour chart. Okay, exactly the same swing. So let's see how price behaves today. Euro on the daily chart. You can see that we're still in a bullish AB swing. There's our A low, there's our B high. Like I said, price found support 3 times, once, twice, thrice at this level. Yesterday I said we need to break 759 to open up the upside. You can see yesterday price did take out 759. We're looking on this daily chart over coming sessions. We're looking for price to head up towards the B high. Okay, even if it just manages to actually pop out, break the actual BI, because of such a deep AB swing, we're not expecting a crazy rally up to the 118 or Sorry, we're not expecting a crazy rally beyond the 118. But let's see what price gives us over coming days. The 4-hour chart on Brent, on Euro, is a bit different, obviously. Here we've got our latest A low and B high, and you can see price found support at the A low. And like I said here also, because we got such a deep pull retracement towards the A, we're not really expecting a rally far beyond the B. And you can see your price actually just went slightly beyond the B and has found resistance for all these many hours. So we have to update this chart right now. So we've got a new A low in place. Got a new A low in place. Guys, if there is a bit of background noise, just ignore it. It's a bit of construction happening next door. A high, and here we've already got a B low in place, so we don't need that question mark. So we will draw the fibs from the A low to the B high, and once again we will look for price to pull back down to a 618 at 619 or lower, and then we'll look for something bullish on that time frame. The 1-hour chart is also a bit different in that we started a reversal. You can see we took out the last A support low. So we started a reversal. We were in a bearish AB swing here. And you can see that price went and rallied and took out the actual AI. Okay, so we've got continuation of uptrend. So this here now becomes the new B. Sorry, the B below becomes the new A. Sorry, that's what I should be saying. And here we've also got a new B in place already, because we've already got 2 candles to the right. So this is pretty much the same swing that we have on the 4-hour chart. Okay, so here again we look for price to pull back into lower levels towards the 618. That's our area of interest. If price doesn't reach our area of interest, we just carry on waiting for it to actually do that. We don't go and create any other strategies or anything like that. We wait for price to hit the target levels and the strategy that we're interested in. We actually wait for those scenarios to play themselves out before we're looking to trade. Okay. Bitcoin daily, we said yesterday that we're still waiting for a B high to form. You can see price didn't take out the previous day's high. The previous day's high was 28,532. This was 28,478. So let's see, do we remain below this high today? If we do, we'll have a B high in place. If we don't and price rallies on up, we'll carry on waiting again for another B high to form all over again. Remember, we said that if you look at the previous videos, we said our targets are up at 29,742. Price might well find resistance up at that level before we pull back. Okay guys, so that's the forecast for today, being Wednesday. Let's see if our trade on Brent pans out. Let's see if there's a potential trade on crude as well. Like I said, if there's a fall, you wait for a test of that high, followed by another bearish candlestick formation. Okay, enjoy the trading day. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you're alerted every day. Yes, last week we did make our target. Let's see if we do reach that target levels this week. Enjoy the trading day. Cheers. Bye bye.